This is me, Azim, and today I'm here with a new episode to guide you how you can warm up your body in a new way. There are two very simple exercises that you can do it anywhere. There is no equipment required. So let's start from the very basic, which is that you have to move your leg. Like you have to hold your hand over there, right? And you have to jump, and you have to move the leg. The first, if you if you jump your left leg, so your other leg will be bent like this. You have to do it. That is the exact shape of exercise, right? If you cannot do that, so in a very start you can do it like this. You can just bend and then straight. You can then bend and straight. You can do it 20 to 30 times. Your body will be warm up. The second exercise is very simple, which is called a chill dog exercise. What you have to do is you have to sit and you have to touch the arm back, right? Just see. I'll do slowly. I will sit and I will put my arm over here. Then I'll have a jerk. Then again I'll put the right hand over there. You can do it like this. Yes, which is called chill dog exercise. You can do it every day 20 to 30 times before any exercise. Your body will be warmer, right? So if you have any suggestion or if you have any other exercise to warm up, do share with us. Thank you.